Welcome to Niche Healthcare, where we offer a comprehensive range of over 150 high-quality training products. Our products are built to meet the growing needs of healthcare and education organizations. We provide a vast collection of simulation equipment designed to offer practical, realistic training experiences. Whether for NHS recruits, university students, or healthcare providers, our products help build the skills necessary for excellent patient care. Our key features and benefits for our training products are comprehensive product range, over 150 products that cater to the training needs of NHS, colleges, universities, and healthcare institutions. Realistic simulations. From basic procedures to complex surgeries, our products create immersive, lifelike training experiences. Versatility. Designed for a variety of training environments, including hospitals, colleges, and universities. Thank you for watching our video, and call our stimulation and training team on 012-749-65092.